Today we start fuels. Fuels are combustible substance containing carbon as main constituents, which on proper burning gives large amount of heat energy, which can be used economically for domestic and industrial purpose. Alternately, materials which possesses chemical energy is known as a fuel. For example, wood, charcoal, coal, kerosene, petrol, diesel, oil, gas, etc. During the process of combustion of fuel, the atom of carbon, hydrogen, etc. combine with oxygen with stimulate simultaneous liberation of heat at rapid rate. This energy is liberated due to the rearrangement of valence electron in these atoms, resulting in the formation of compound like carbon dioxide and water vapors. These compounds have less energy as compared to reactant. See the reaction: fuel react with oxygen, that is air, to give product and heat. For example, fuel containing carbon react with oxygen, that is air, gives carbon dioxide. Next point, classification of fuel. These can be classified on the basis of their occurrence and physical state. On the basis of occurrence, there are of two types: primary fuel and secondary fuel. Primary fuel, fuel which occurs in nature as such, are such as primary fuel. For example, wood, peat, coal, petroleum, natural gas are the primary fuel. That is natural occurring fuel. Next point, secondary fuel, that is artificial fuel. The fuel which are derived from the primary fuel by further chemical processing are called as secondary fuel. For example, coke made from coal, charcoal from the wood, kerosene from petroleum, coal gas, that is natural gas from the coal gas, producer gas, etc. On the basis of physical state, these may be classified as solid, liquid, and gaseous fuel. Solid fuel, for example, wood, peat, lignite are the solid fuel. Liquid fuel, crude oil, tar, oil, diesel, petrol, kerosene are the liquid fuel. Next, the gaseous fuel, natural gas, coal gas, example of gaseous fuel. Next point, calorific value. The heating value of substance, usually a fuel or food, is the amount of heat released during the combustion of specific amount of heat. The energy value is characterized for each substance. The unit of calorific value is as like, for example, CGS unit of solid and liquid fuel is a calorie per gram and gaseous fuel is a calorie per centimeter cube. The MKS unit is, the solid and liquid fuel is kilocalorie per kilogram and gaseous fuel kilocalorie per meter cube. The next point is, see, the quantity of heat can be measured in the following unit. Calorie, it is defined as amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. 1 calorie is equal to 4.184